question is, there will be any Gentiles during Mashiach ben David, because it seems that only the children of Hashem will be the only ones to resurrect. So what would be the purpose of Gentiles resurrecting in case their souls are not part of the general the general body? I have a quote from the Wikipedia about the Talmud that says, Yevamot 62a says that Mashiach will not come until the roof is emptied of all its souls, but its souls seems to be only Jews.
Yes,
so
yeah. Separation go to this the place of goof. So what does it mean? Goof is the body, right? It's in like spiritual place, but they have all of the storage of all of the souls that must come to the world before, like must given a chance. So that's one of the issues with the spilling of the seed and wasting seed, right? When this soul been waiting for 200 years, let's say 500 years to come, and they told her, it's actually there's a married couple, and they supposed to get married or this and that, let's say, and then you should come, and guess what? They were wasted seed. So now that this soul that did not come is going to be very angry at that person. Right? So all of them must have a chance, the last chance to come. That's why our sages say. That's why you see that the generation before Mashiach comes is going to be very, very wicked. Why? Because the worst of the worst got the last chance, and you see how successfully they failed the chance again and again, right? Of wicked generations. If only Jews are going to be resurrected, the resurrection of that, I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. I think so. I mean, that looks to me like. Are they going to be Gentiles? Yeah, Gentiles who are going to survive the war, the Gog or Umagog. They're going to live there. Yeah, right. The righteous people.
This is based also. This question is based also on last year that I heard that the Rabbi said there that he made a calculation that if we put together the Christians, Islam, atheists, and they all, it's like all closes in and round up in a number of 5 billion people, which is more or less 2/3 of the world that are going to be destroyed. So I was thinking maybe that is hinting that finally there will be no more Gentiles anymore, only people that have their souls rooted in that goof.
No. They're going to be Gentiles, whoever survives. Yeah, 2/3 of the world, probably plus minus, is going to die, but 1/3 is going to live. Right? And let's say 9 billion. So what is it, like 2 billion, 3 billion people are going to survive? Maybe less. I don't know. So maybe less. Right.